Hello guys, you can see what these kids are doing. Huh? They are in the river. They are fishing at this their age, my friend. I don't know whether their parents knew this, but now they are in the river. They are fishing. Here is Mason Vincent. I have nothing to do, but I cannot chase them away because if you do this, even their parents might have a war with you. They are little, they are almost under 8 years. Omera, nanguru, uya kanye? Unyithi nga? Ha? Baba iluongo ni nga? Baba iluongo ni ngawa? Ikia nying babau? En nga? They are fearing to tell the name of their father. I'm asking them that where are they coming, but they are coming from the border Kisii and Luos. So they have been waiting here, no fish. They carry their straw, and now they are leaving. The other one is still looking at the camera. It is too sad for these two young kids to be in the river. And last I saw you, this tree just behind there has a very big snake, and they don't fear it. Look even how they are jumping. Look, they are running. So it's almost 7 and they are still in the river, my friend. It's almost 7. Even me, I came to bathe. At this time is now I come from job, so I have to come to the river to take my shower. But it's too short for me. I have nothing to do. But it's a life. We can't change it. That's how it is.